Hey guys, so just a video for you on how I decorated those pocket letter envelopes that I showed you a few days ago. So I'm working on getting this advent calendar ready to get sent out. And these are the pages that I've done for it. I'll show you how I kind of put it all together at the end also. So what I did, again, we're using the Santa's Workshop bundle, or I am for this, and this is the Signs of Santa stamp set that I've been using. So it comes with stamps and then the coordinating dies. All the links for anything I use I post below on these videos, so if you look in the comments you can find links to my store. So stamp set dies. I think the dies are actually low inventory. I hope they're not sold out yet. They may be. So just a heads up on that one. So what I did, I also used the Memories and More card pack, which had these Advent calendar or December daily stickers in it. Which are really handy. So I've used most of them already, but this is kind of the sheet that it came on. So I'll do a couple with you now just to show you what I did for each envelope. So, where are my envelopes? Okay, so these are kind of two that I still have to decorate. You can see my other video for how I put these together and the measurements. So I used a 1 3/8 of an inch scallop punch and just punched out circles in Poppy Parade cardstock, which is the red color that coordinates with the Santa's Workshop suite. And then I cut out 1 1/4 inch circles in the Designer Series paper. So that's the same paper that I'm using to make the envelopes. If you watch my video, it tells you the dimensions for the envelopes are 5 by 5. So I was able to get enough cardstock for 4 envelopes out of one sheet. And then that also left me with a strip left over from each sheet that I could punch out these circles with my punch to make the dates for each of them. So I'll do some extra ones here. I'll do this one with you now. So I've been using my Fast Fuse to put them together. You can also use the Tombow multi-purpose glue or tearing tape. Snail is cute. I wouldn't recommend using snail though on the side of the paper that's fuzzy. So if you're gluing the fuzzy paper down, you may want to use something else. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, so I'm going to use, I don't want the green showing because both my envelopes are red. So I'm just going to use my Fast Fuse and stick that down. And then what I did was I took my numbers. These are sticky sheets, and then I stuck that on there. And then I used the embellishments that come with this suite as well, just to decorate them a little bit more. These are actually sold out already, but the Memories and More card pack does come with other sticker sheets, so this is one of them. And then there's also the candy cane stickers on here, so you could also use these as embellishments on here. And I don't know why I put December 25th. Can I take that back? Take that back. You didn't see me do that. I'm not doing a 25th advent calendar. Advent pocket. I only do my advent calendars up to 24, so I'm just going to take that back and put on 21. Alright, let's try that again. There we go. And then I'm going to stick on we'll use a snowflake for this one. Okay. And then I have these little snowflakes. I'm just going to maybe stick this one on here just to give it a little more pop because I have it. Okay, so that's how I did the numbers for all my pockets. So I'm going to keep that to stick on there. I have some other ones that I've done. So this is the 7th, get those out of the way, and then I have the 13th, and this is another one of the pockets that I've done here. So this is the middle part of each of the pockets. So what I did is I used the Eastern Beauty medallions, the dies, I think that's what they're called. check the supply list at the bottom, and cut out this like snowflake shape. Those dies are really cool. They're very versatile, to stick in the middle of each of the envelopes. And then I just use my Tombow and put a little dot. Really hoping this is on camera. Okay. And stuck that in the middle. Envelope, and that'll dry clear. Okay. And then I'm going to stick on my number. Again, you guys can use Tombow, Fast Fuse, tear and tape. And then I just stick that in the top, either the top or the top corner, or I did it in the bottom corner on a few. And then what I'd also done is I'd cut out some snowflakes using our glossy white cardstock. So you can see that's kind of like shiny. And the dies I used for this are from the Colorful Seasons set. I think the dies are called the Seasonal Layers. There's also other sets in the holiday catalog and in the, I think in the annual catalog there's other snowflakes as well. In any case, but these ones are from the Seasonal Layers. And again, so I just did like a dot of cardstock, a dot of Tombow glue. And then I stuck that in the middle, so it kind of layers just a little bit on top of my date. And then I had also cut out some cute little images that I had stamped. So I had stamped and die cut a whole bunch of characters from the designer series, from the Santa's Workshop Suite, or the Signs of Santa stamp set. The dies also actually cut the pictures out of the actual designer series paper, which is it's kind of cool as well. So you don't have to, if you don't have time to stamp and color, you can actually just cut out right out of the paper. So I'd done a whole bunch of these. So if you can see on my other pockets here, I have Mrs. Claus and some presents and a wagon and some other elves and some signs and stuff. I think here, the North Pole sign, I have that done as well. These I cut out of the Memories and More card pack. So this was actually a card, and I just fussy cut around it. And then the Merry Christmas is one of the stickers in the card pack. So I added that to that as well, just because I had a couple extra pockets. Okay, so that is done. Yeah, so then I just added some characters. So I think for this one I'm going to do is maybe add some stickers to it. Because I already have, hold on, we have more stickers here. Okay, so there's more, these are more stickers that come in the Memories and More card pack. I don't want to put my red elf on this one. I think I'll save my red elf for a different envelope that has more green in it. But there's a green elf on here, so maybe I'll just stick this green elf on here. Like that. Okay, and then that envelope is done. So there's that one, and then here I'll show you. So this one already has the snowflake and stuff cut on top of it, stuck on top of it. And then, so let me add lucky number 13. And then I'll add my elf that I colored using the Stampin' Blends on here. Like that. I have my red elf, so there's another one in my pockets that I'm going to add. I think I have one more pocket to finish up, and then I'm done. So that's how I went and decorated these pockets. You can decorate them however you want, but I just thought I'd show you kind of what I did for mine. And I'll show you how I put it all together at the end of the next video. Thanks, bye!